With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, a force F1 acts on a particle so as to accelerate it from rest to a velocity v. The force F1 is then replaced by F2, which decelerates it to rest. So let's just consider that here is our particle at point A. The mass of particle is, let's just say, m, and a force is acting F1 on this particle, and this particle reaches at point B and attains a velocity v. Now at this point, a force F2 is acting, which is decelerating it, and let's just say at point C, the particle stops. So let's find out the acceleration in path AB. In path AB, the acceleration is v minus 0 divided by, let's just take that this AB journey consumes t1 time and BC journey takes t2 time. So this is t1 time. Alright, this is, let's just say, acceleration A. Alright, in path BC, the acceleration in this case is AB. Let's just say this is 0 minus v divided by t2. This is minus v divided by t2. Now what is this acceleration? This acceleration here, if we apply Newton's second law here, so this means F1 is equal to mass into acceleration A, and here F2 is equal to mass into acceleration here. The acceleration, let's just put this value here, we get mv divided by t1, and here we get m minus v divided by t2. Now since we don't know any interrelationship between t1 and t2 here, we cannot know any relation between f1 and f2. So f1 may be equal to f2, maybe not. So this, our case B here, is the correct option, since we cannot really say that f1 must be equal to f2. If t1 is equal to t2, then f1 can be equal to f2, but this is just a possibility, that if t1 is equal to t2, then f1 and f2 can be equal, but this is not a binding condition that f1 must be equal to f2. So we should opt out this option here. Now in the third option, f1 must be unequal to f2. We cannot really say this one too, and therefore we have to go with option B here, that f1 might be equal to f2.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.